Look at that. Maxinescorner. You've done it again. Hello, my healthy people. Welcome back to Maxinescorner. So in today's video, we will be making some delicious pumpkin muffins. Yes. Thanksgiving and Christmas, these are perfect. So let's get started. Here I have 2.5 cups of whole wheat flour, and it's whole wheat white flour. You can also use oat flour as well. To that I will add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Before I get started, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's absolutely free. Also, don't forget to hit that bell because that's how you're gonna get your notifications. I'm also adding my allspice. All the ingredients for this recipe will be in the description box, so don't forget to check it out. All right, 1 teaspoon of Himalayan salt, 1/2 cup of coconut sugar. And that's it for the dry ingredients. I'm gonna mix all this together. It smells really good, guys. Once again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It is absolutely free. This is a simple and easy recipe, and while you're doing this, please have your oven being preheated at 375 degrees. We're gonna bake these for about 15 to 25 minutes depending on your oven, okay? So once you've done that, let's go ahead and add our wet ingredients. I have 2 tablespoons of sesame seed oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/3 cup of maple syrup. Okay, so add this 1 cup of pumpkin puree. Go ahead.
All of it?
Yeah, add the whole thing. You take your time.
The spoon?
You don't need the spoon. You could just add it. Okay. Just be careful. I'll help you take it out. So this is 1 cup of pumpkin puree. Good job, babe. Here you go. Thank you, my helper. To that, I have 2 flax eggs. So here I have 1 cup of buttermilk, which is apple cider vinegar and almond milk mixed together. And I'm just going to pour that, and you see how it looks lumpy? That's how you get that consistency of buttermilk, all right? And that's pretty much it, guys. That's all I'm gonna need for this recipe. It's not really complicated. You just need 1 bowl and you are pretty much done. We're gonna work this. We're not gonna go too crazy. And the recipe will be in the description box. You can check it out there. This is what it looks like. Let me get my muffin tins. Now we're gonna get our coconut oil spray, and then we're gonna spray these. Go ahead, Abe. Oh, whoa, whoa. Easy, easy, easy. Just like that. Watch. Spray, 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 spray. And this is so it won't stick. All right, guys. So just to let you know, you don't have to use a spray. You can use muffin cups if you want to, and that's perfectly fine as well. So I'm gonna start assembling these, and don't forget the oven is being preheated at 375 degrees. Let's get this, and then I'm gonna put these in there like that, just to get everything at the same size.
Can I help?
Sure, hold on. So good. Go ahead, Eve. Put through the last one. Squeeze. You got it. Squeeze it. Perfect. Perfect. All right. So, yeah, it smells really good, right? I know. That's what I was just saying. Hey, get out of there. All right, my healthy people. So I'm going to throw this in the oven. Okay, my healthy people. So my muffins are all done. I'm going to set them aside for about 10 minutes so they can cool. I'm going to make a maple glaze for these. And this part is completely optional. I have 1/2 cup of...
What
What is it?
Sugar.
Powdered sugar.
Powdered sugar.
This is organic powdered sugar, half of a cup. Go ahead and put it in. This is optional. I'm gonna make a glaze, a maple glazed. Thank you. Nice.
I get why this is.
We're gonna add 1 tablespoon of milk, and this is, of course, almond milk.
And
then you're just gonna mix it together, and that's all you're gonna need. Once you mix it together, you're gonna get, it's gonna look something like this. Okay?
That's for me. I have one foot.
That's okay. That's all we're gonna need. You know what I like to do? I just like to use my hands. Make sure your hands are clean, and then just, you know, just break them up with your hands. You don't really need a knife. Okay. So what we're gonna do is, I'll show you guys. We're gonna get one of our muffins, right? And then we're gonna take the glaze, and the kids love this. Let's get a plate.
I think you
Put these in a nice plate, right? So the first thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna get your delicious muffin. Look at how moist and soft these are, right? We're gonna take a nice big bite in a little bit. Take one, the glaze like that. Get the glaze all over it. And I love making these for the family. They enjoy them as much as I enjoy making them. Just get the glaze all over it. Look at that. Maxinescorner. You've done it again. Slow down, kiddos, right? No, we're not gonna eat it yet. These kids are going crazy. And then we're gonna put some nuts on it. How does that look, ladies?
Good. Good.
All right. Not too much, just enough where it could fit. That looks so good. So, and I'm sure it tastes absolutely delicious. We're gonna continue to make these with the glaze, and when they're finished, we'll be right back. Okay, my healthy people, here you have it, our delicious maple glazed pumpkin muffins. Absolutely delicious. The kids are gonna love them. You're gonna love them. The entire family is gonna love them. Go ahead and make it. That's it, guys. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner today. If you love this video, go ahead and do what? Give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because why? It is absolutely free. And stay with me. Stay healthy.